Bittensors, welcome back. What we are witnessing is not an evolution. It is an unprecedented paradigm shift. The world has long been carved up by monolithic incumbents, monopolies on code, compute, data, and even therapy. But what if one single decentralized platform could host a competitive replacement for every single one of them? Bittensor is that platform. It is a peer-to-peer ecosystem where specialized AI marketplaces, or subnets, compete for a slice of a unified resource, TAO, forcing them to relentlessly innovate, drive down costs, and deliver superior service. The disruptive potential is not in the billions, it is in the trillions. Part 1. The hive mind economy, ecosystem synergy. Every subnet operates as a specialized, standalone company, yet they are not silos. The Bittensor protocol functions as a decentralized, global supply chain, where resources are shared programmatically and permissionlessly through the TAO token. The financial disruption, this is where the magic happens. The TAO incentivization forces miners to sell their services at cost plus. The corporate profit margin is surgically excised. In this shared, competitive economy, centralized services simply cannot compete on price, speed, or verifiable quality. Part 2. The disruptive deep dive, subnets versus tech giants. This is the existential threat to the world's most entrenched monopolies. Ridge's SN62, the open source AI software engineer, targeting the massive $400 billion software engineering market. Disruptive fact, Ridge's models have solved all 50 industry benchmark engineering questions, outperforming rivals on cost and correctness. The cost of a solved coding problem is driven down to the globally optimized marginal utility. Chutes, SN60 for the decentralized AI compute cloud, challenging Nvidia/AWS centralized GPU server farms. Disruptive fact, the decentralized network is capable of offering GPU cycles that are up to 70% cheaper and 40% faster than traditional cloud services by aggregating global and used hardware supply. This is a fundamental infrastructure arbitrage. Alpha_Core, SN66, the autonomous DevOps engine, aims to automate the entire $135 billion DevOps industry. Disruptive fact, Alpha_Core is built to replace the need for human-managed, proprietary CI/CD pipelines and cloud configuration tools with self-improving, incentive-aligned AI. This is a complete industry killer, not a simple competitor. BetterTherapy, SN102, the AI digital doctor twin, targeting the $1 trillion mental health and therapy industry. Disruptive fact, by deploying personalized AI doctor twins fine-tuned with licensed knowledge, BetterTherapy offers high-quality, safe advice at nearly zero marginal cost, addressing the global scarcity of care. Zeus, SN18 decentralized environmental forecasting, challenging the IBM weather prediction monopoly. Disruptive fact, Zeus miners are consistently beating state-of-the-art baselines across all weather variables. The decentralized, incentive-driven mixture of experts model proves superior for critical, low-latency forecasts required by trillion-dollar industries like energy and commodities. Quantum compute, SN48 and SN63, the quantum democratization, solves the problem of scarcity and prohibitive cost for the most advanced technology. Disruptive fact, centralized quantum access costs $5,000 to $15,000 per hour. These subnets make quantum research nearly free for global innovators by incentivizing the contribution of idle simulation capacity. Ready AI, SN33, the AI data marketplace, ensures the core ingredient of AI, data, is not centralized or polluted. Disruptive fact, this subnet eliminates the human labor and centralized bottlenecks of data labeling, providing other subnets, like Ridge's, Zeus, with verified training material at machine-level cost and speed. The disruptive cost comparison. GPU compute, AWS Cloud, $3 per hour. Chutes/Celium, 70% cheaper. Quantum computation, centralized access, $15,000 per hour. Quantum compute, democratized/free. These subnets are the death warrant for corporate monopolistic pricing. Part 3. Critical infrastructure, the neural backbone. Targon, SN0 for the confidential decentralized AI cloud. This is the Enterprise Compute Destroyer. Developed by Manifold Labs, Targon is the world's first confidential AI cloud. It delivers an unrivaled compute experience for all, providing non-interruptible, secure GPU rentals at interruptible prices. It leverages hardware-level trusted execution environments, TEs, to guarantee data privacy and verifiable computation, a vital differentiator against Chutes, Cilium, and centralized giants. Templar, SN03, the Internet AI training engine. This subnet is the intelligence collector. It provides the core training data foundation by scraping, organizing, and verifying vast amounts of high-quality internet information. It directly addresses the scarcity of clean, verifiable datasets needed to train all other LLMs and models on the network. Synth, SN50 Predictive Intelligence for Financial Markets. This subnet is the decentralized hedge fund engine. It delivers synthetic asset price path data generated through a decentralized network of AI models. This innovative approach simulates diverse market conditions, providing unparalleled forecasting accuracy for use cases like options trading, portfolio management, and high-frequency alpha, democratizing models previously reserved for proprietary Wall Street firms. Gradients, SN56 Collaborative Machine Learning. This subnet solves the hardest part of AI training. It focuses on collaborative machine learning, where models share complex gradients to collectively learn and improve upon each other. Bitcast, SN93, the next-gen creator marketing engine. This subnet is the decentralized advertising disruptor. It uses AI to connect brands with creators at scale, automatically verifying content quality, message alignment, and rewarding creators based on real attention metrics like watch time, not vanity metrics. It replaces expensive, slow marketing agencies with trustless, on-chain deals. Cilium, SN51 Complementary Compute. Similar to Chutes, SN64, and Targon, SN04, Cilium is a GPU rental marketplace, supplying compute power and intensifying the competition, further driving down the overall cost of compute for the ecosystem. Resi Labs, SN46 Real Estate Disruption. The ambition here is vast, leveraging AI to tackle the world's real estate/physical asset markets by providing automated, decentralized data and prediction services. Autopia, SN36 Building Autonomous Companies. This is the business automation factory. Autopia offers a full ecosystem of AI workers that provide web agents and a wide range of specialized business agents to automate your daily work and let you focus on strategic growth. It replaces expensive, salaried employees with scalable, incentivized AI labor. Bittensor, SN41, these demonstrate the power of hyperspecialization, respectively focused on autonomous vehicle datasets and AI-powered sports forecasting to target specific, multi-billion-dollar verticals. Just imagine the sheer scale. Bittensor is not only hosting these 128 disruptive beasts, it is systematically targeting every possible multi-billion-dollar industry and bringing that value onto its subnets for dirt-cheap prices at a rapid, accelerating pace. Today or tomorrow, the economics will force every major industry to flow to TAO. Every subnet is designed to be robust, secured, foolproof, and value-adding to the core protocol. The architecture ensures that miners, stackers, validators, subnet owners, and crucially, the consumer all win. This capacity for disruption will only intensify. The subnet total is not static, it grows exponentially. We stand at 128 today. The next phase is 256, then 512, following the 2N growth formula. This is the engine of limitless, cost-optimized innovation. This is not an average investment. This is a position in the decentralized, incentive-aligned future of artificial intelligence. The world will not be the same. It will be before TAO versus after TAO. Awake, evolve, learn. Do not miss out. Not a financial advice. Do your own research. Next, we conclude this series with the ultimate showdown, TAO versus Nvidia and AWS, the competition killer. Hope you learned something new today. We have deep dive videos into each of these subnets right here on our channel. Feel free to check them to truly master any subnet. Thank you for learning with us. Please like, share, and subscribe to Buy Stake Chill. We bring you the real alpha. Cheers.